So when it comes to Cardano, we are finally over the hump. And I'm not talking about ADA price or anything like that. I'm talking about what it's going to take for us to get to this point of Chang hard fork deployment. We need to get to 70% of these staking pool operators reporting this new node version 9.0. And we have finally crossed into this point where we have a majority of the nodes using this new version, these new staking pool operators using this new version, 31% currently reporting the version necessary for the Chang hard fork. Now, we're not out of the water yet. This is moving pretty slow in the middle here. I've had some people ask questions about this. Yesterday, we were at like 29%, the day before at 28%. So if you're watching this video and you have a staking pool, update your node version. It's going to move pretty quick towards the end. I remember reporting on this when we went through the Vassal hard fork. So we're getting there. But I think one of the most important parts of this is the blocks that are actually being created. We have seen a significant surge in the amount of these blocks being created by this new node version. It's up to 20% now. All right. Just a few days ago, this was down below 10%. So I don't want to say the important people, but the important staking pools that are actually helping create blocks, they are actually using this new node version. So we're well on our way at this point. Now, I want to talk about the Chang hard fork in general. All right, remember, this is being deployed in two parts. It's likely, right now it's looking like it's probably not going to come in July, the first part, but it's probably going to be August and then maybe late August or early September. This isn't a delay. We're just waiting on the community. Community needs to update your nodes. But I want to talk about whether this is priced in or not. I know I've talked about this before. I've gotten a couple discussions with people. Guys, the Chang hard fork is not priced in. All right. Yes, we've gone through different updates within the Cardano ecosystem, like like the launch of smart contracts back at the height of the bull market cycle. At that point, it was priced in. That's why we got a massive sell the news event. That's why we had our early top compared to the rest of the market. Vassal hard fork was priced in. Frankly, we were at a time where we weren't going to see much in terms of movement in the market anyways, because we were in the depths of the bear market. Right now, price has not done anything to show us that the Chang hard fork is priced in. All right. We are seeing significant additions by large holders right now, like I talked about in one of my earlier videos today, and the long-term minded people continue to build their bags. But this doesn't mean that we're seeing huge accumulation from new people, because we're not. Frankly, we have seen cruisers and traders drop off in terms of their holdings. The speculators have been dropping off. So what tends to indicate that these things are priced in is when you see huge accumulation from those speculators, from those people that are betting on these advancements. Now, once we get to this 70%, don't be surprised if we start to see some of those things pick back up, start to see some more speculators flow in that makes the price move to the upside, things like that, right? But my point is I don't expect a sell the news event, because right now we're kind of at this point where we're stuck with people that are planning for the long term anyways, people that are planning on the long-term adoption of the Cardano blockchain. That's what the metrics are showing. They're showing the exact opposite of what some people are thinking. This may be one of those points where people that are waiting for a drop in price once the Chang hard fork is deployed, or once we get to this point of these nodes being at the right amount of percentage, they might get slapped because the market may go the opposite way. All right. As always, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice, but very soon we're going to be at a point where we're in a completely different era in terms of Cardano. The launch of full decentralization, on-chain governance is a very big deal. And it can take Cardano to some places that frankly other blockchains can't go in terms of adoption. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.